They say April showers bring May flowers, and that is certainly the case in Toronto, with the cherry blossoms in full bloom all across the city, from Hyde Park to Trinity Bellwoods, where I'll be checking them out today. For a second, I thought Drake or Shawn Mendes, who called Toronto home, might have been in the park, but it turns out everyone was there to catch a glimpse of the cherry blossoms in bloom, just like me. In April 1959, a Japanese ambassador presented 2,000 sakura cherry blossom trees to Toronto for the support of the Japanese Canadian refugees after the Second World War. The peak bloom only lasts around 9 days, so make sure to get out to see them before they're gone. The cherry blossoms aren't the only flowers in bloom. There's also the Fleurs de Ville Femme Bloor Yorkville exhibit with more than 35 beautiful flower installations sprinkled all across the Yorkville area that runs from May 4th to the 8th. There are floral workshops and demonstrations taking place at the Mania Life Center. There's a Saturday flower market, and there's a contest to take a photo of one of the installations and share it with the Fleurs de Ville and Bloor Yorkville Instagram page. The installations celebrate many iconic women from Sophia Loren, Margaret Atwood, Elizabeth Taylor, Buffy St. Marie, Laura Secord, Princess Diana, among so many others, are all done by local Toronto florists. The event runs till May the 8th here in Toronto, but if you missed it, you can always catch it at its next stop in Montreal from May the 20th to the 29th.